Hello, welcome. In this tutorial, we will check what is effective date for voucher in Tally ERP9. This is an option inside voucher type creation screen. Let's go there from the gateway of Tally, accounts info, voucher type, alter and select sales voucher type and move the cursor to use effective dates for vouchers. This is the subject for our tutorial today. I will give you an idea about this option with an infographics. On 1st April 2015, we sold rice for rupees 5,000 to Mustafa Traders. Party was given a credit period for 10 days. But party knows the delivery will be delayed for 1 day and he asked for an extended credit days 11 days. But we billed on 1st April 2015. This becomes one of the reasons for choosing effective date. Instead of giving 11 days credit period, we are setting the effective date for the transaction to the 2nd April 2015. This effective date applicable only in age-wise report. This will not reflect in accounts part like ledger, sales register, etc. In ledger and sales register, the date will remain 1st April 2015. Since we have choose effective date 2nd April 2015 while invoicing, the new due date will become 13th for 2015. Now let's do this in Tally. Come back to gateway of Tally. Coming from the beginning, accounts info, voucher type and alter, select sales voucher type and move the cursor to use effective dates for vouchers. Set this to yes and save the screen. Now come back. The second stage is the entry of transaction that we have sold rice to Mustafa Traders. So first step is setting the date, effective date and invoice date. For that, click on F2 button or press F2 from your keyboard. Now we are in voucher date entry screen. The date of voucher is 1st April 2015, that is the invoice date, and effective date is 2nd April 2015, that is the delivery date. Now party name is Mustafa Traders and rice is the commodity, 100 kg 50 per kg and 5,000 is the total amount. And you can see at the top right there are two dates. 1st April 2015 is the invoice date and effective date is 2nd April 2015. Now save the screen. Let's check how this will affect in our accounts book and our reporting system. First we have to check the outstanding report, statement of accounts, outstanding and receivables. Select the period. Since I am using Tally educational version, I can enter only next date will be 1st May 2015. The total overdue days become 19 because current date is 1st May 2015. You can check the date here and it is 2nd April. This date will reflect in this report only, and let's check how this affect in accounts book, ledger, Mustafa, and you can see the date is 1st April 2015, and in sales register also you can see the same date, 1st April 2015. So the effective date for vouchers will not affect in accounts book and it will affect in outstanding reports only. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Bye.